Hey guys, we're getting ready to go out, have some fun today. Kelsey's watering some plants.
Look at the strawberries are getting red.
Strawberries are getting red. So where are we going today?
I don't know yet. I can't decide if I want to go to downtown Campbell or downtown Los Gatos yet.
We're bringing this guy along. Say hi, Fritz. Hi guys. How you doing? I'm ready to go.
Okay.
Alright. Here's Kelsey in her natural habitat.
Driving, this is my natural habitat.
So elegant.
So elegant.
Where's Fritz? Fritz! Say hi, buddy. Fritz needs some water. Look how cool this flag looks, guys, from a distance.
It's so big and clear. My Aunt Margaret and Uncle Eric, they got a flag, and they thought it was just going to be a normal big flag for a flagpole, and it came out that size. So they have that size flag flying in the front yard.
Nice. So we had decided on Main Street Burgers because we love a good burger and they allow Fritz. Come on, bud. You excited, buddy? Hey, you excited? Yeah. Alright, we got some garlic fries and sweet potato fries. A gluten-free cheeseburger. And a regular burger. And Kelsey wants to go get some fries. Not some fries. Some ranch dressing because I love my ranch. Ranch is so good. So bad for you. But so good. We got Fritz down here. Here, bud. Got his water. Doesn't even drink it really. Come here. It's so hot. Hey, drink your water. Alright, anyways. So good. That's all I could eat because we decided to order the big, large fries that we didn't even finish. What do you have to say for yourself, Kelsey?
Yum.
She claims that she's full, but I know she'll be hungry in like 10 minutes.
I am full, but then that's true. I will be hungry in about 10 more minutes. That's just how I am. I have a small stomach. I can't help it.
And
They're very friendly.
so is he.
I'm saying leave it just to make sure
Yeah.
that poor little dog doesn't get run over.
Oh, he goes to the dog park and he looks like a big dog. He's lovely.
Hey guys.
Did they just get a haircut?
This one did. This one just has been getting neutered because he's got his coat off this morning.
Oh.
He's
We
very
remember
anxious
those
to be out.
times.
I had forgotten. He's 3.5. He's only 8 months old. I had kind of forgotten how much fun it is to have a dog this size running around with that giant coat.
Cool. Oh, yeah.
Lots of bruises.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Beautiful dogs.
Come on, bud. Look at this.
Alright, just strolling. Oh yeah, dog portraits. I'll be on it. Wait, are we gonna be those people, Brandon? Because like I take pictures of the dogs and they're cute, but now I feel like, oh yeah, these people are really popular. Classic kids.
What do they draw? Here's my beautiful wife and my dog. Crossing the street, going to our car. Getting ready to go home. Fritz doesn't want to go home though. He never wants to go home. It's pretty nice, huh? Walking around, getting some lunch.
Oh, look at who we ran into again.
Oh, hey, look at that.
Saw that little guy before.
Fritz made a new friend.
Tied up here.
We saw these guys earlier today.
Yeah, they said hi.
Bye again. Oh, your paw's stuck, buddy. He's supposed to say hi to everybody. Such a good little dog.
Fritz is so tired. We had a
Long walk.
long day. Just sleeping here on Brandon's lap in the car.
So Kelsey and I are watching Shaytards from VidCon,
John Green planned that.
They should have done that.
Well, it was fine.
and we wondered why the cat and the dog were so quiet. Fritz is... Why isn't it focusing? Passed out. That's weird, it's really blurry. And then the cat is also passed out. Their lives are so hard.
Oh, saw someone.
And now I'm getting a phone call.
Looks like this is a family intimate moment right here. Oh yeah.